Hello students, welcome to Sacred Heart YouTube channel. Welcome to the virtual class. History, Standard 10th, Chapter number 5, Mass Media and Entertainment. In this chapter, we are learning Introduction to Mass Media, History of Mass Media, Why do we need mass media, Critical understanding of the information received through mass media, and mass media and professional opportunities. So let's begin. What is mass media? Mass media contains two words. Mass, here mass means aggregation of people. People coming together in group is called as mass. What is media? Media means various modes of communication. Thus, mass media is mass communication. With the help of mass media, we can send information through faraway places to destination through a medium of communication. Remember, in the olden days, we always saw this in television and in movies. In olden days, there was a crier who would run in the streets beating drums and carrying out important news. What news the king gave him, and thus the news spread it to people through word of mouth. Today, we have advanced stages of mass media, and we are learning that in this chapter. History of mass media. Printing technology came in the world in the year 1453. The first printing machine was invented in the year 1453, and later on we saw a lot of progress in that. Printing technology and newspapers were introduced in India after the arrival of the British. People started receiving printed news through newspaper, and thus information started spreading. People became updated about the current affairs. Newspaper became the first medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. People were informed through newspaper. Newspaper is nothing but a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinion, entertaining or other supplementary content. It is printed and distributed regularly at a definite time. You must have in your lifetime definitely gone or read a newspaper. Newspaper is definitely a good piece of information to us. We get information about what is happening in and around the world, in and around your city, in and around your country. It provides local, national, and international news. Newspapers are also full of historical records which record current events. So, newspaper is also a historical source of information. Precursors of the newspaper. Before the beginning of Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscription with royal decrees at public places. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to the same similar method to reach his subjects. In the Roman Empire, decrees were written on the papers and those were distributed in all regions so that people are informed about what is happening in that region. They also contained information about various events taking place in the nation as well as in the capital. During the times of Julius Caesar, newspaper known as Acta Duna, meaning the act of every day, used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people, and this was very popular. In the 7th century, royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. Even in England, handouts were distributed occasionally, giving information about wars or important events. Thus, people were informed about the happenings in the city and in the state. Travelers arriving from far away would add spice to the stories and narrate the whole incident to the local people through newspaper. The ambassadors of a king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court through newspaper. So newspaper definitely was the most important medium during those days. Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette, let me tell you, is India's first newspaper. The first newspaper was of India was printed on Jan 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette. This newspaper was started by an Irish gentleman, James Augustus Hickey. Darpan, a complete local newspaper started by an Indian. The newspaper Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Bal Shastri Jambhekar was the editor of Darpan. The news printed in Darpan can be reviewed through know about the political, economic, social and cultural events of those times. What things were printed in the newspaper Darpan? The accounts of expenditure from three administrative divisions of the East India Company, the danger of Russian attack on the nation, the appointment of a committee of cleanliness of city, remarriage of Hindu widows, inception of theatre at Calcutta, achievements of Rajaram Mohan Roy in England. Such important news were printed in Darpan, and so Darpan also becomes a historical source of information. Prabhakar, another Indian newspaper. Prabhakar was started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution and Shatapatre, the letters by Lokitwadi, that is Gopal Hari Deshmukh, aimed at creating social awareness, were published in this newspaper, Prabhakar. This was a mouthpiece of Bhau Mahajan. Jnanoday, another newspaper, Indian newspaper, printed in 1842, Jnanoday was known for printing the map of Asia and the map of Europe in 1851. The honor of printing an illustration in an Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Jnanoday. The news of installation of telegraph used for electrically transmitting a news can be seen in Jnanoday. The news of starting of railways in India was also first printed in Jnanoday. Railways were when started, it came with the title of Chakya Masoba. Trains were called as Chakya Masoba. Chakya means wheels and Masoba means buffalo. It also printed the news of Indian War of Independence of 1857. So all this information about 1857, about the first railway in India, the whole credit goes to Jnanoday. Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha are the two newspapers which are indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspaper before independence. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, they were the one who started this newspaper in 1881. They also spoke about political issues of this period. Kesari began to publish articles about nationwide situations, books in the native language, and politics in England. The news of Ganeshotsav was also published in Kesari, where Bal Gangadhar Tilak requested the people to start Ganeshotsav and make it a public ceremony. In the 21st century, newspapers have continued to fulfill an important role. It was acknowledged the fourth column of democracy. Magazines and journals. Magazines and journals are periodical publications. This category includes publications which are sometimes weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, and annual. There may be some chronicles which are published at no fixed time. Bal Shastri Jambhekar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi, and the name of that magazine was Digdarshan by Bal Shastri Jambhekar. Among the periodical, Pragati, which is now a defunct journal, was started in 1929 and edited by Trambak Shankar Shezwadkar. He wrote regularly in the Historiographical Journal of Maharashtra's history and social movements. Currently, there are many periodicals devoted to Indian history. Marathi journals such as Bharatiya Itihas and Sanskruti and Marathwada Itihas Parishad are one of the best examples of these magazines and journals. News related to independence and inspiration for people to come together were all published in these magazines and journals. Electronic or digital journalism. These are ultra modern periodicals from a part of electronic or digital journalism. This is an advanced method of journalism. History is a prime subject of interest for these periodicals. Many web news portals, web channels have now come across. The most famous one is the YouTube channel. Through YouTube also we get a lot of information about historical evidences. Radio. Indian Broadcasting Company IBC, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Later, the same company was taken over by British government and named as Indian State Broadcasting Service. On 8 June 36, it was renamed as AIR, that is All India Radio. After independence, AIR became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Initially, it broadcasted governmental programs and schemes. It was named as Akashvani. On suggestion of the famous poet Narendra Sharma, Akashvani broadcasts various entertainment awareness, creating and literary programs. The Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted today in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of the Indian languages. Today you have private radio channels as well, Radio Mirchi, FM Radio, Radio City, and so on. Television. Who doesn't knows about television? The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its program on 1st May 1972. Back then, it was black and white. Color television was introduced on 15th August 82. In 1991, the Indian government granted permission to private national and international channels to broadcast itself in India. Thus, we saw globalization of television. Why do we need mass media? Mass media is definitely very important as it allows free flow of information to all strata of society. Editorials, columns, and supplements are essential parts of the newspaper. Readers are also ensured of a platform to give their opinions. Television is audiovisual medium. You can also view as well as listen to all your information. Radio is audio medium. Reader gets an access to additional information and can better insights about the current news. Newspaper prints columns about historical information appearing under headings such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago. Such columns are historical columns and written so that we are well aware of historical facts. Critical understanding of the information received through mass media. Any information that we receive through mass media is very important that it needs to be reviewed critically. It is not 100% true that whatever information we get through mass media is always correct. And so critically examining it is very important. We need to scan all this very carefully. There's a very famous event of unauthentic information appearing in print in Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler, and they sold them to various publication companies. Later, the diaries were verified for their originality, and subsequently the news appeared in the print. But when they were scanned properly, later they found out that all these diaries, handwritten diaries, were fake. And so, critically understanding or scanning all these things becomes very important. Mass media and professional opportunities. Newspaper have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. At such times, newspaper have to resort to history. As I told you, newspaper always have a column 50 years or 100 years ago. In television, you have various channels, the Discovery Channel, History TV 18, which gives you information about historical facts and historical stories, which becomes easy for us to understand history more better. This can be a professional opportunity to a lot of people and make other people aware. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial telecasted by Doordarshan, has a special place in the history of Indian television. This particular television show was based on a book written by Pandit Nehru, Discovery of India. This show was directed by Shyam Benegal. The serial presented the history of India from ancient to modern period, throwing light on social, cultural and political history of respective period. Lot of other serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Mughal rule, programs on Maharaja Chhatrapati Shivaji, all such programs were also a part of Indian television, which gave us story about a great history and kept us informed. So mass media definitely becomes an important source for keeping history alive. I hope you understood the chapter.